roti.
Ini apa?
Ada Pak Litis.
Tengok.
Pregnant. I killed the pregnant woman. Trivia. Teach me what. Ada aja lebih kali. It's a murder. Very small. Baby. First I got a pregnant woman. First I got a pregnant shrimp. Then after that I got a baby shrimp.
Yay! It's still eating it. Still eating my fish. I mean, my liver, chicken liver. My mom does.
Satu plastik. Satu plastik eh.
Hi! We got some food which is jumping up and down.
Very good improvement.
Yes, satisfied.
By now by the next two trip kita akan jadi professional.
We're out of here.
We have accomplished more than 10 prawns in 2 hours with only 3 rods.
That is a huge improvement.
It's a milestone.
Very huge improvement because the last time we only caught
Like 7 in total, but it was 4 rods last time.
4 rods, 7 total.
And it was like how many people? 4, 5, 6, 7 people tried.
7 people.
This one, 5 people, 3 rod, under 2 hours.
Wow. Papa did a lot of YouTube research,
Yeah.
so he caught a lot. I think he got the most, right?
Yeah, he got the most
He
and
got the most, and
like the most fastest.
the most.
Right, so now we're gonna fill our tummies with food. Tomorrow we're gonna cook maybe butter prawn or cereal prawn or something.
I hope it's not sambal prawn.
Yeah, it's not sambal prawn.
Yep.
It's either these two.